Nvidia's Perlmutter supercomputer is the fastest in the world for AI workloads. Its first task will be to build a 3D map of the universe. The map will help scientists learn more about dark energy. With 6,000 plus Nvidia A100 Tensor Core GPUs on board, Perlmutter is capable of delivering almost 4 exaflops of AI performance. Its performance will be bolstered further in Phase 2 of its development. When it is completed, Perlmutter will be one of the top 5 supercomputers in the world. SpaceX's ocean spaceport Deimos is under construction, and its first launch will take place next year. The site is intended for Starship and its Super Heavy rocket booster. SpaceX has finally landed a Starship, so its next step is to land one with the Super Heavy. There is no set date for SpaceX's Mars mission, but it aims to launch by 2030. In March last year, a Cargo 2 quadcopter targeted and killed a soldier without instructions to do so. The drone was operating in an autonomous mode, hunting down the target as they tried to retreat. It is likely the first time drones have attacked humans without being directed to. The incident raises concerns about the future of autonomous drones. Scientists and human rights groups have called for restrictions on the technology. Xiaomi has just shown off its latest fastest charging technology, which the company claims sets a world record for both wired and wireless charging speeds. Xiaomi says its new hyper-charging solution can charge a 4,000 mAh battery with a wired charger in just 8 minutes, or in 15 minutes with a wireless charger. The company demonstrated a modified Mi 11 Ultra charging over a 200-watt wired charger. The video showed the phone reaching 10% from 0% in just 44 seconds, 50% in 3 minutes, with the full charge coming in at just under 8 minutes. Meanwhile, the wireless charging demo shows the phone reaching 10% in 1 minute, 50% in 7 minutes, and 100% in 15 minutes. China's artificial sun, the experimental advanced superconducting tokamak, EAST, recently broke a new world record by achieving plasma temperatures of 216 million degrees Fahrenheit for 101 seconds and 288 million degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. The breakthrough is a key milestone in the project's goal of keeping plasma temperatures stable for long periods. When the technology matures, it will be able to provide near unlimited clean energy at low costs. The team estimates that it will still be 30 years before EAST is functional. The city of Vilnius, Lithuania has built a portal that connects it to Lublin, Poland, a city about 600 kilometers away. 5 years in the making, the portals have large screens and cameras that broadcast live images between the two cities. The portals were created to encourage people to rethink the meaning of unity.